Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing a messy to minimal. I saw this title from Mighty Mama, so I just wanted to give her credit, but she does messy to minimal videos on her channel, and I'm doing a different approach. So we're just taking the real life everyday mess and putting it all away, cleaning up, getting rid of, things that shouldn't be on the table, and creating a minimal environment. So everything's going to be clean and put away by the end of this video, and I'm going to show you, as you just saw all the befores, I'll show you the afters of every room that we get done cleaning. I hope this is super motivating for y'all. Let me know if you decide to get up and clean along in this video what you got done during this 12 minutes. And also, I hope y'all are just having a wonderful day, and remember that you are enough. So we're gonna start out in the living room. I like to do the easiest room first, and the living room is always the easiest for me, so I just straighten up the blankets, get everything nice and tidy looking, and then I'm gonna go through and vacuum the floor. Now that my living room is done, I'm going to move on to the kitchen. The table is the most cluttered area in here, so I'm going to get all this stuff taken off the table. Also, if you like videos like this where I show real life, normal homes, then definitely hit that red or blue subscribe button. It's free, and I would love for you to be a part of our community. So also, comment down below if you are new so that we can welcome you to this channel. The cleaning product I'm using is the Mr. Clean Freak. It does a really good job. I bought 3 bottles of this in bulk at a store called Ollie's. You may have heard of it. It's like a liquidation store. I need to go back there and buy some more cleaning products. I've also thought of doing a video where I tell y'all all the cleaning products that I use from Dollar Tree. So I would love for y'all to tell me if you want to see that video, just kind of like a sit down video, and I'll do a haul of all the Dollar Tree cleaning products that I think are worth buying at the Dollar Tree compared to buying at a regular store like a Walmart.
Conversations, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I'll always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together.
I had some potatoes that were looking a little rough that needed to be disposed of, so I'm putting them in the bag, and then I'm gonna wipe this off and then put the new potatoes in there. I also need to reorganize my fridge, so we're gonna do that and vacuum this floor.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Let's get to organizing this fridge, and while I organize my fridge to fit all my sodas in here, I just wanted to remind y'all that average homes are beautiful, and as long as there's love in the house and there's a roof over your head, you have electricity, water, heat, all those things that we need, our basic needs met. As long as you have your basic needs met, you are doing okay. Don't be too hard on yourself if you feel like the world around you is just flying by, or you think like you see people around you and you think that they are just miles ahead of you. Don't worry about it. You are doing amazing just as you are, and don't think of materialistic things as a way to validate yourself, okay? You're doing great. I just wanted to remind you of that because it's so easy on the internet to get kind of lost and feel like we need to be like everyone else and we need to have all this overconsumption and stuff like that. It's not necessary. Remember, as long as love is in the house, that's really all that matters. So now I'm getting my diffuser ready, and I'm using Valor from Young Living. I do not sell Young Living at all, and I don't really promote it that much either, but this is one of the oils from their website that I splurge on. I literally get one bottle, and it is to last me an entire year. So those were my last drops too, but I don't know. I may need to figure out a way to make my own DIY Valor oil because it smells so good. So I may just need to find out a way to make my own or see if there's one on another website that's similar to it. If you know what Valor smells like and you have an alternative that's a lot cheaper, please let me know because I definitely need it. Now I am putting these laundry detergent sheets in the wash machine. I was sponsored by this brand months and months ago, and I've used up all of my little laundry pods, so I thought to save money, I'm just going to continue using these laundry sheets instead of going to the store and buying new detergent. And I do like them. There's no scent, so it's really good if you have like allergy problems, but it doesn't do much for your clothes. It just cleans them, and then there's no fun smell to them. So if you like Gain or something like that that has a really fragrant smell to it, then that's probably not for you. But on the side of saving money and being budget friendly, we're using what we got over here.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along.
Feels so good to get my laundry area looking a lot more minimal. And speaking of getting things more minimal, let's clear off this bathroom countertop. Here for the realistic homes, like this is what my bathroom counter has looked like for a week now because I use these products pretty much every day. So but it was time to put it all away. I needed to wipe down the counter. There was a lot of toothpaste splatter on my sink and my faucet, so getting all that tackled, still using the Mr. Clean spray. I love multi-purpose cleaners that I can just take the one bottle all around the house and get my work done. It saves me so much time and it helps minimize the space. of all of my cleaning products wherever I store them. And once this was done, it was finally time to make the bed.
But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind.
House is cleaned up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll have more videos like this on the screen. I have my Clean With Me playlist and the last video I just uploaded. And I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.